Welcome to the Dinotti YouTube channel, guys. It's all about GTA. This video is made about GTA. Yes, you heard it right. Heists. Update came just today and I played it. The first job, Fleeca Job, guys. I hope you're gonna like it. If you like it, subscribe on YouTube or follow me on Twitch. You have links down there, so I hope you're gonna enjoy it. Oh, what is L mean? Look at L, guys. I found an L. Is that a Lester? Oh, look at this shit, guys. Women can't stop this. Oh, Lester is here. I remember this from the game. That guy's dead, bitch. Yeah, we're gonna go to Lester, guys. This is new thing. I think this is all about the gaming.
Yes, come in, come in.
Good to see you. What's up, Lester?
Again,
Look at him.
wow.
Look at him, guys.
Yeah, I've never been good at small talk. I don't have
Sorry,
many
Lester.
friends. I
Look,
sometimes meet people
this is
online
just
and
taped
I
and they just
meet
put
them
your,
out in the real world
you know,
and
the
I
graphics are not the same.
hide and I watch them and I think, wow, now you are experiencing.
Guys, this is something new on the Heist, guys. We're gonna see what's gonna happen. Lester is talking something about me. Look, this is taped before and they just put your profile here, you see? Yeah. I'm not good to talk, you know. Here we go.
I know you've been complaining, but you
I was ready, my man.
now,
I was ready.
just maybe you are.
Yeah!
Real work.
Yes!
Are you interested? Because if you are,
Just tell me, man.
it's, coming down the wire. Soon as
Lester, I
you
want, man.
I'll contact you, but don't.
This is the first time we see Lester on online, guys.
I'm putting my neck on the line, and I like my
Okay.
neck.
Your best feature, oh my god, big thick neck.
Aside from my sparkling conversation.
Oh my god, I can't even speak. Lester is a genius, of course. So what now? Is that guy waiting for me? Okay, so I was at the Lester house the first time and he told me something. No, Lester, what's up? What? Go to planning room in your apartment to trigger the heist. Okay, so I have to go home to trigger the heist, guys. So the heist is gonna come. Lester just called me, guys. You gotta go and just thanks Jan Roots. Thank you for the follow. This is the heist planning room. Heist can be set up and planned from here, guys. So you see, guys, when you start the game, you gotta go to Lester, and then you go to your house, where you get like where you can plan the heist. Then you press right button and start the heist. Okay, guys, you plan the house from your home, so you got like normal camera lock, weapons the same, purchase all ammo. I'm gonna purchase all ammo, guys. Normal. So we are gonna purchase super heavy and confirm settings. This is like Fleeca Job scope out, guys. Created by Rockstar, open rank 12, players 2, and type setup SG. Confirm settings, guys. Okay, this is the first time we're playing, and I'm gonna auto invite somebody. So the heist, the first time we're playing heist, the heist is about to begin, guys. And we're gonna see the person. Oh yeah, somebody's buzzing, guys. Oh, that guy's gonna come in my flat now. So he's buzzing, guys. Oh, Lester, what's up, my man?
Yes, this will
Yo.
do very nicely. Very nice
Yes.
place you've got. Very
Chic, yes.
Chic. Nothing like a bourgeois bank robber to remind me of how strange Los Santos has become. In my day, the psychos
See,
had the
Lester is
to
jealous.
be psychotic.
I can't be so jealous if I have a new apartment, man.
Home
You
furnishings
know,
and going
you can
straight
come here, bring beaches, man. We're gonna have some party.
because
This, okay. This is it, okay.
it. Well, it's
The first.
it, but it's something.
This is, guys,
very.
Lester is speaking about the
Not
new
quite ready
heist,
yet,
guys.
But I wanted to
You know.
see how you're doing. What I've got is a
No!
franchise.
Really?
Nothing too complicated. There's no buy-in. Now, normally,
Okay.
buy-in, you would put it
Okay.
in front. We would arrange the job, and you would pull it off. But this time, I'll
He's gonna cover it up on the front.
Call it the price of getting a look at you.
Really?
There's no risk.
So why do you call me?
Unless, of course, you count.
Okay,
getting locked
Lester.
up for
Stop
shot.
the gibberish talking, man.
So, you ready? What do you think? You
Nope.
Questions,
Nope.
comments,
Nope. We're gonna do a
concerns?
job, guys. We're gonna do a job. The first heist is about to begin, guys. So we're gonna see what it's all about. The heist speaking so long about heist. There was like 2-3 months speaking about the heist, and we're gonna see the first time heist. What is gonna do, guys? What is gonna happen? And this is gonna be, you know, GTA YouTube. Okay, look at him. That guy's over tattooed. Dinotti is okay. Fleeca Job scope out. Okay, I'm gonna go get into the Lester's cars. Okay, me and Lester getting go. Oh, Lester is going with us, guys. Okay.
Lease a franchise on the Western Highway near Chuma.
Okay, that guy is taking us in the Lester car.
Word of warning, we're on
That's-
the job right now, so don't let the cops notice you. If they come after
Shit.
us, we call it off.
Cops are gonna.
So, my taciturn friends, I suppose you want
Yes,
to know how we're doing. this.
finally.
Well, funny you should ask. We're driving out to the bank,
Okay.
taking a look at it, picking up some equipment, and then heading
Okay.
back to make our plans.
Okay.
Not very complex at all. We're not going in, we're not
Nope.
poking it with a stick. We're just sitting back,
Relax.
taking a look. You see, I like my scores like I like my dates. Across the street and unaware they're being watched.
Okay.
Alright, so why this bank over all the other banks in the state? Why does fortune favor this one?
Yes.
Another good question. You're full of good questions. You're like a child whose parents think it's clever, or the IRS. Ugh. Well, this bank's got some
How
safety
much?
deposit boxes, and in one of those safety deposit boxes are some bonds being hidden from the tax man that no one's gonna report missing. All starting to.
We can see.
make
Look at him.
sense.
Lester is
Security should be
speaking.
light,
That guy is
well,
driving.
Relatively light. Light if your daydreams are raids on the Union Depository. Quite heavy if your day job is turning over liquor stores
Okay,
and gas
Lester.
stations. And the bonds in the box will be worth more than a few rumpled notes from a till, so the minor escalation is worth it.
Okay. Okay, we're close to the
Plus, you know, the sea
goal, guys.
nothing like staring
We're close
at
to the
you
goal.
while you contemplate money and power, incarceration and
He
homicide.
likes to
You know,
speak a
those
lot,
weighty
guys.
issues surrounding your first
That's
foray
Lester.
into serious
Anybody
armed
who
robbery.
didn't play the story
I'm
mode, he
assuming
doesn't
you're
know the
kind of a
Lester.
cerebral crew, because
You should complete
otherwise
story
this
mode
whole
before you play
not
online,
talking
guys.
deal just
I recommend
puts
you
on the
that.
spectrum, right?
You know.
Okay. Well, how about we
Yeah,
just get
Lester.
there,
Thank
see
you
where we're
for
at.
shut the fucking up. You were speaking a lot, but telling me nothing. Okay, we're to Fleeca Bank. And what are we gonna do now? Okay, we just got there, guys. I think we gotta go up. We gotta go. Where?
There it is.
Okay,
Take a
Fleeca
look.
Bank.
Drink it in. I've patched into their security
Yes.
feed on my cell. Take a look.
Okay.
What are we looking at? Small joint.
Okay.
Not much security. Staff won't give a
It's a
crap.
small bank.
Especially about the deposit boxes. Customers will probably be thinking how to turn this into a screenplay. The boxes are in the back behind a safe.
Money,
room.
money,
You
guys.
want box number
Money.
167. Yeah, it's right on the
Yep.
highway with good access. That works for
Cool.
you. Get out quick, but it'll also work for the cops. Speed up their response time.
Okay.
Okay? Okay. Enough of this peeper crap.
So we gotta go to factory, guys. Shit. There's so many things to do, guys, here.
Now, when you hit the bank, you're gonna need to hack into its security system. I've written a neat little program. that'll
Okay,
do
we're
most of the
listening
work
to that
for you,
guy.
But it's probably a good idea for you to familiarize yourselves with it. You, in the passenger seat.
Yes.
I've sent it to your phone.
Guide the signal to the
Start
exit for
drive
press
by,
X start.
keep your hands steady, and maybe the wet run
What?
will be a disaster.
What? Oh! Oh my fucking god, I need to now to hack. Guide the signal to export, press X to start the signal, use L to change the signal. Oh my god! This is like a Snake playing, guys. We're playing Snake from Nokia 3310. Yes! So this, I completed the circuit. First lap, virtual 6 decode. Okay. This is like a Snake, guys. Guys, this is so awesome. Look at this. So this is new thing on
calling Paige.
GTA,
She's my
guys.
assistant. First she's gonna get us what we need, then she's gonna sell me an
We
ad.
gotta hack the system, guys. Circuit breaker 2.0 done. Yes.
No?
Yeah, I like
Like
it.
that one?
Okay. Oh my god.
You don't
Let's go. The Snake Eater. The Snake Eater. We're gonna try to do this.
Paige, it's Lester.
Yes.
Place looked good.
So I'm like a hacker now in this game. This is something new, guys. Man, I never hacked anything in my life, and I'm like a robber hacker, guys. Yes! Break the third rock, so we are ready to do next thing. Yes. Okay, look at us, guys. We have a fancy car. Lester doesn't want to be like suspicious guy.
Provided with a couple of masks. Then when you go into the bank, you can choose one that goes with your eyes. And hey, there's the added bonus of none of your favorite comic convention outfits being linked to a major crime.
Oop-de-doo! Lester speaks so much, guys.
Masks. Page. Oh yeah. We'll go over there,
Sorry,
pick her
guys.
up, and go back to
Okay, we're doing the first job, the heist job.
Through the planning board later, that might be helped by a visual aid. The rest is
Okay, speaking a lot, but I don't understand nothing.
Listen to me.
Yes,
What I
Lester.
say. Bullets
No
go in here,
problem.
come out there. And if you're ever caught, you keep
Okay,
your mouth
nobody
shut.
will caught me, guys. You know, man, I'm like a Yakuza. I'm gonna do a suicide before they get anything from me.
Good work.
No, they can't get nothing from me. Nothing. Okay, we're back to the Lester's house.
There's Paige. We're leaving this car.
We gotta
taking
take a
the
truck, guys. So we gotta take a truck, guys. This is like a... Okay, we're out.
Hey.
We're out. Get into the Granger, man. Man, you drive. Okay, he wants me to drive. I'm gonna drive this time. Okay, let's do this. Go inside, people. Granger, guys. Okay. Let's go.
Back to your place.
We're gonna check this out. We're gonna see if everybody are okay. You didn't see? Fasten your seatbelts, guys. You gotta take care, man. I'm a crazy driver.
Is it all there?
Oh, we got the girlfriend. We're gonna do a gangbang. Bang bros, bro, people. Bang bros. What's up, Nick Matthias? Thank you very much.
Your word for it.
Thank you very much, Nick
Should all
Matthias.
be there. The clothes, guns,
Guys, we're gonna do a
headsets,
bang bros
emails,
now.
Masks, the drill, the files with all the photos and surveillance work. Hey, there's enough here to make us all look real suspicious. Nice little conspiracy.
We're
to
gonna
commit
do
robbery
bang bros,
charge
guys.
waiting to happen.
What, they're gonna charge us with thought crime?
Thought
Not so
crime.
much thought as everything but the deed crime. We'd be caught with
Okay.
our pants down and
Oh
a
my
hard
god,
on out
I
to
can't
shoot.
stand the girl's voice in
Caught. These are
Bang
professionals.
Bros.
So I hear. They're
Bang
cheap as
bros,
professionals
when?
money can buy.
I like
Hey,
to think of it as investing
could
in
we
good
quit
times
that heist?
until you
We have a
use
girl
it.
here, we have a van, and we're three guys.
That's the way
We
it's
can
gotta
shoot
be.
a movie, guys. We're gonna make some
By that,
much more money than
she's just a little
if
rusty.
we're gonna
If
heist
they
the
were
bank, guys,
offended,
you know.
They would have said
So,
something.
okay, guys. This Granger is quite fast, man, but can't lose the control so fast. No, be on the road. I don't want to get off the road. So I'm curious. Can somebody else, you know, the other players, can they shoot me while I'm on this heist, or we're like automatic off the map, like, you know, we're all people in, you know? That's interesting, you know. We gotta see, you know. Okay, guys, I'm driving there as fast as I can. Please fasten your seatbelt. Oh, we're getting to my house back, man. Winger. Oh no. Where the hell is that? Shit. Move off the sidewalk. Okay, we're going to my garage, guys. So we're putting the van, you know. This is the heist. First time playing the heist. Thank you guys for being here, and we're gonna do this shit. I know we're gonna. So look at my apartment, guys. Look at this. I'm a fancy guy. I have a big. So what? Oh, setup. We did a setup, guys. So I got like a gold. That guy got a platinum. We got some points. Okay, this was platinum, guys. Got some reputation points for what? Setup is made. I think this is the first thing you have to do on the heist, guys. Yeah, Glenny. Okay, we just brought something in. Oh my god, that girl, it's not my type.
Paige, we'll set up a board for you, won't you, Paige?
I'd let you do it if you
Okay, she's not my type, guys. Shit, darker.
The most important thing to look for in an employee is respect. You can't get anything done.
Yes, we
without
gotta respect each other, guys.
Where was I? Oh, yes.
Lester knows everything, guys.
Paige
Is she gonna make a
setting up
strip?
this board on which you will plan your scores. You'll use it to set out all the prep work you need to do, select your crew.
Oh my
figure out
god,
how
there's
to
so
take
many
from
things
the
to do in
scores
this
you
heist,
split
guys.
up. So You need a crew to
Okay.
keep score. But only one person can be in charge.
I'm gonna be in charge.
Isn't that right?
See? Blow me! She wants to blow me. Girl, first of all, you gotta wash your face.
You're only gonna need one thing for this job. It's a high-speed armored car. Now, instead of getting one legitimately and leaving a nice long
Okay, we gotta
trail
steal
to
it.
your front door, you're gonna be jacking one from a nasty
Oh my god, we gotta go to
nice long
Korean.
paper trail to their door instead.
Good to go.
Good to go.
Hey,
Bored, guys.
board. Good. When you're ready to move on the car.
So guys, we gotta steal a car.
Study the plan. Tick it off the list. You must be methodical. This isn't just a dumb crime. Oh, there is an element
Okay,
to that,
Lester.
huh?
Cut the gibberish.
And when you've got the car,
Okay, guys, we gotta go take a car now. You know, this is something I do, you know, occasionally, you know, or regularly. Doesn't matter. When entering the heist, you must first cover the cost of the buy-in. The buy-in fees goes towards buying the equipment needed during the heist and for paying other players to help out with the heist. So we gotta spend some money to get into the heist. So what now? You must complete all set missions listed here before progressing the heist finale. Some setups might not be available until you successfully complete. Oh my god. We gotta do something. Okay, so what now? Shit. All your heist gear, weapons and clothing are shown in this locker area. You will use this item in heist set finale. Okay, this is a little bit difficult because I don't know what to do. Once the heist is complete, all evidence will be destroyed. Shit. So I'm gonna have to... Yeah, Prius is good, Lenny. You know, some... Okay. Okay, what now, guys? As leader, you have the choice of your heist members, so choose wisely. Remember, some heist members don't work out, invite others to play instead. Select the next heist set mission to play. Fleeca Job, we're gonna select this. So, you do when you go to heist, you gotta do setup job. Yeah, that guy is here, and Zigzag is with me, guys. Let's do this shit. Zigzag, we're partners in crime, and hope we're gonna get well. Look at that! Oh my god, I'm like Arabian, guys. Look at me, I'm mummy. I'm a mummy, guys. Look at this outfit style. You can choose between outfit styles. So you can look like a badass motherfucker, you know, casual look, rebel look, street fighter, or you can casual, rebel, street fighter. I'm gonna go this outfit. Oh, you can even choose between, okay, there's outfit style, casual, and you can choose between casual outfits, so many of them. Nice look, guys. The Pegassi, this is like a biker. The Bravado. Okay, I'm gonna take a street fighter look, you know. Look at the gangster, look at me, gangster. The starter. Okay, I'm gonna take the hood, max style hoodie. Oh yeah, bam bam motherfuckers, bam bam, look at me, ninja. Ah! Oh no, how is that, the Claw, not from the Batman. You know, oh, Cardinal, oh no, oh my god, vibrant, psychotic, I'm not a psycho, man, street motherfucker. Okay, I'm gonna take bandanas, man. Good face bandana, black bandana. I love this shit, guys. Bandanas are not. I'm gonna take a black bandanas, you know. Custom vehicle, Foggy, dumb buggy. We're gonna go, guys, in style. Fuck them all, in style, taking highs, going down. So, what's up, the kid YouTuber? Welcome to my stream. How are you, my man? Guys, we're playing the heist for the first time, guys. What's Glenny 95%, my man? Fleeca. Press to view the players on the current job. You know, okay. Let's go to my car, man. Let's go to my car. Yes.
Can you hear me? I'll be here to talk you through
Yes.
these jobs.
Steal the Kuruma. Steal the Kuruma.
You're on the way to Del Perro.
Shit, we gotta go to Koreans, guys.
Been using a parking lot as a
Yes.
base for scores.
We gotta go to Kurumas, guys.
Credit fraud, stolen cars, and some many major robberies.
See, they have a right. I gotta wait.
Them to be paranoid. Kind of think of it, you won't find a bulletproof car in the
Boom!
one who doesn't have a healthy
We're getting there, guys.
So be careful.
Getting there, guys. Okay, Lester was speaking something about, I don't even have any idea, but I'm just, you know, I'm just give the power to the people. First gear, second gear, third gear. Smoke him. Smoke him. Yeah. I don't want to be. No! Destroy my car. You know how much does that cost? Shit. Look at that bus driver. He's a crazy motherfucker. Oh yeah, kid YouTuber. I hope you're gonna be well, my man. Just stick with me, man. We're gonna have some good time. I'm getting some hot stuff for me. We're gonna start. Yeah, okay. Drink HEISTS equip mask to consider identity. Press to equip mask. Okay, we got. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, we gotta gotta steal the car. Yes. I'm gonna put the mask on. Guys, we gotta steal some car, Kuruma. What the fuck, man? Man! What the fuck? Fuck you, man. That guy is not good cooperative player. Oh, okay. I think he knows. We gotta go on the roof, guys. I think we got shit. Unbelievable. Gotta take care of those guys. Yeah! Kuruma are dead, motherfucker. No! They got me, shit! Yo, I died, man. Okay, I'm alive, still here. Okay. Where the hell are they? Gotta be very, very careful, you know. I don't wanna die. Yeah, get down, bitch. Yeah, be careful, Dino. Motherfuckers go down. Motherfuckers go down. Yeah! Kuruma, motherfucker. No. Dino, you're not supposed to die. Shit, why they're shooting at me, man? That guy is closer to you guys. What's up? Yeah, Dino bot. Oh, zigzag. Man, go into. Yeah. Oh my god, look at this car. Yeah. Shit. Okay. Okay, we got it. No! Oh no, just hit him, man. Doesn't care. Okay, damaging. Oh shit, damaging. We're not supposed to damage the car, guys, you know. Shit, they're right after us. And they're yelling so much, man. Motherfucker! Yeah, ram the motherfucker. Yeah, got one. Right into the head, bitch. Right to the head. Man, just drive careful, man. Shit. Oh, this is... Where the hell are they? Motherfucker! Okay, we gotta get away, man. Deliver the Kuruma to Lester's factory, we gotta go. Shit, now they're after us, guys. I have just only one life, man. That's unbelievable. Oh my god, there's so many of us without... Okay, gotta take care of this shit. You know, we took some like Mitsubishi Lancer, guys, you know. See, those gang members are attacking us. Want to take a car from me. And oh! Shit! Stay on the course, man! Motherfuckers! I'm gonna take my minigun, guys. No, man! Why do I have... Oh shit, I can't shoot right behind me. Nope. Thank you for the follow, YOLO boy, 4,000, welcome. Yeah, that's Evo 10, guys. Evo 10, guys. Very yeah. Oh my god, that guy with the bike ran down so fast. I don't have snacks, man. I gotta buy them. I don't have snacks. Okay, we're just close to get to the factory, man. Yeah, Ziggy. Okay, guys, Ziggy in the now. Yeah, yeah, we got the car. So we brought the car. Okay, got to go to the tunnel, man. Yeah, usually when you play story mode, you get the cars from the heist here. Yes! I died once, but that guy saved me. Welcome, YOLO boy.
Okay, I'll look after
Okay,
this.
she's gonna
Let's
look
go for
after
my
this,
place when
guys.
you're ready to go.
You know, she's gonna look after this. Now, that girl is gonna take care of us, guys. You know, we have a van, guys. We have a Bang Bros edition. Just wait, guys. It's gonna be YouTube. Bang Bros Dinotti. Yeah, got some reputation points. We got that evil VRX Subaru Mitsubishi. You know, so waiting for players. So, guys, you see, that's the second part of the heist. And first of all, we had to go to take a look of a bank, then to be a hacker, to hack some locks. I don't know what kind of locks we're gonna see, and then we had to steal a car, some kind of mix of Mitsubishi Evolution and VRX Subaru, and we brought that here, and we got some reputation points. For everything you do, you get reputation points. You get the job done. You know, it's like by the stages. You know, everything is by the stages. So it looks good right now, guys. So we're waiting for that reload. It's gonna take forever. I'm buying that car too, man. Okay, so me and what the hell are we gonna do now? So what are we gonna do now, guys? Okay, we gotta go back to the... Don't shoot at me, bitch. Don't shoot at me, bitch. Okay. Oh no, I gotta go back to my house. Yeah, my man, zigzag. Zigzag, let's go back to my house. Yeah, let's go back to my house. Should take his order, my man. After playing high setup, there is a heist trend right on the phone. Accept this invite to get straight to the planning before I carry with the heist. Okay, so we got an invite. Heist to FEISTS The Job. Yes. We got the invitation from the Lester, and I think this is gonna just put us, you know, gonna forward us to the heist. Yeah. They have a jet. Really? Yeah, Harrier, whatever. Yeah, Harrier, that's like in English, plane which can go up like this. You know? Which can go up like this. You know, like... Okay, press start heist finale. So the third part of the heist is heist finale. And I'm back in my flat and just watching some view, guys, you know. Drink some whiskey for courage. No, you never know what you're gonna do in next life. Maybe it's the last minute to be here. You never know. You know, maybe it's the last minute and we just see that something happening, but I hope it's not gonna stuck. If this shit is stucking, I'm gonna take this TV and throw it out of the window, and there's not gonna be any more streaming, guys. No. Okay, I hope it didn't stuck there. Okay, music is going. Yes, it works. Difficulty normal. Heist clothing from selection. Leader style choice. Leader style. Okay. Super heavy armor. Purchase all ammo. And I want that guy back in my game, guys. I want from last guys. Yes. All from last. So you can. Yeah, I just invited that guy because he was playing with two, you know, setups with me, and I just, you know, I invited that guy. So you can invite people from the last heist to play with you, you know, and he accepted. And what now, man? Play. Player joining. I don't understand this. It says accepted, guys. You know? It says accepted. And what now? It's gotta say joining. Okay, joining. Joined! Zigzag in the game. And we're gonna continue the third part, the final part of the heists. How much money do you get? For what? For a heist? I don't know. I'm not sure, guys. No, I don't want to leave the session to accept them. Are you serious, man? I'm in final heist edition. Look at me, man. He's buzzing, man. Come on, man. Did you bring any chicas? Oh, Lester, what's up?
Ah, you're
Yes.
first time. You know the first time.
You're deaf, guys.
Never easy. There won't exactly be
Yeah.
fireworks.
No,
You know?
Lester speaks all the time.
It'll be vaguely
Yes.
awkward and
Hey, don't touch him, man. He's not homo.
You probably stick the wrong thing in the wrong part.
Oh my God!
early and
He's
you'll
speaking about fingering and finishing too early.
But new worlds will open up.
Lester, funny guy.
Change, you know, new
Lester, funny guy.
opportunities, new risks.
Oh, Glenn, you're gonna work.
And that's when you'll remember
What, 4 million?
Lester
What, 4 million? 4 million! No, it says like 69,000, you see?
and you'll
You see? I got like 70,000 and the guy can't get 4 million, man. Don't go to work, Glenny, man. Look, reward 115,000. There's a plan. Cut, you see?
it's a
See, guys.
score, right? One of you drives,
Okay.
takes the heat off of you. The other goes into the bank, goes to the specific
Yes.
safety deposit box.
Okay.
Then you get out of there, you get in that fast
Okay.
armored car, and you
Okay.
get the hell out of that place. Then once you've
Woo!
got no heat
We're gonna
on
make
you,
this.
you see me in the box, hey,
Okay, we're gonna make this, guys. We gotta take a heist to the bank. It's gonna become. Look at me. I'm
you know,
wounded.
like I said, it
Yeah,
is the
first time.
so don't expect too much. There are wild, insane,
Orgies. Yeah! We're gonna have orgies, guys. That guy definitely thinks the same like me. Yeah, we like orgies, guys.
Good luck.
That guy had so many orgies, he ended on a wheelchair. This is the final heist board. Here you can set with percentage take each team members get what role they will perform. The specific task they will undertake with the stats. Okay guys, so as I can see, you can share how much will anybody get. Go to less effect, get into Kuruma, enter the bank, go to the safety deposit box. Yeah, I'm ready. Here you can sign the role the teacher. Okay, I'm ready. What about you, man? Look, that guy's not ready. You can view the selected player statistic. Dinotti, the driller. I'm a driller, guys. Look, I'm gonna drill, guys, the bank. Okay, Joshua, the map is where you can view a rough location for each of tasks assigned to the selected heist member. Okay, we gotta go down there, press continue, guys. You see? Oh my God, I'm a monster. I'm a monster, guys. Look at me. I'm just waiting for that guy. He is, you know, doing his outfit. He wants to be cool, you know. When you come in the bank, everybody has to be like, oh my God, look at that handsome robber. Can you rob me, please? I can rob you. Okay, Zigzag, I hope we're gonna do this shit and, you know, the heisters, we're not doing the heist every day. Okay, cut, 63 down, let's go. Man, oh, I'm taking the bag. Man, I'm taking the bag. So we gotta go to Lester's factory, so we can take that armored car. Okay, we're gonna have to have playing the. Okay, driver, go there, drive. Okay, get to the Kuruma, guys. Kuruma is nice car, guys. Go to the Fleeca bank. Now, guys, we're gonna do some heists. Yup. Okay, we're getting to the bank. Don't destroy the car. Okay, so you got a hack, an actor, guys. See? You got a hack. We got the hack, guys, you know. Okay, no problem. I'm gonna do that in first. Yes, I can understand. Yes, we hacked this shit, guys. Oh shit, only first. Oh my God, this is a little bit more tough. We got a hack. Why do I have to do that in the middle of... Oh my God. No! Circuit failed, guys. Security tunnel detected. Shit. No! Shit, guys. This is very hard. No! It was so fucked. Shit, I'm so nervous, guys. What's gonna happen if I don't do this shit? But so hard, guys. No! Nobel Bureka. No! No! What the fuck I pressed, man? Oh! Yes, we did it the second time. Guys, bon appetit. Oh shit, we're on the... I watched the other side. Shit. Oh my... No! Thanks, boy from Mars. No! I pressed! Shit! My eyes are getting so wet. Oh, why did I do that? Shit! Okay, we got... Man, I'm pressing this shit here! Every time I got stuck here. No, I blew it! How many times can I repeat this? As long as... No! Shit! Yes! I was never here. You can do it, Dino. No! Pičku materinu! We're close. Yes! Yes! We did it. Yes! Circuit complete. Yo! We did it, guys. We did it, guys. Oh my god. System hacked. Ah! Look at Lester's head, guys. Look at him, guys. Okay, we're gonna go. We're gonna do.
Okay, time to open the vault. Take out your phone.
Okay, gotta take a phone. Look. Activate. Lester is laughing. Oh, we opened the vault, guys, with the hacking. Put on masks.
Here we go. Put on a mask if you haven't already. And get
Yeah, I got a mask, guys. We got a mask, guys. Man, this is a stick out.
Okay, now find the safe.
This is stick out, guys. Yeah, we're doing this shit, guys. Where is that? Where is that? Yes. We got a drill now. Now we got into the bank. Found the box. And we got to rob the bank. Look at me, I'm drilling. Drill that. Oh shit. Use air to control the power.
If you see smoke, ease off. If the drill burns out, this whole thing will take too
Oh,
long.
we got the drill. So we drill, guys. You can't believe this, guys. I'm drilling. Oh, no, okay. Okay, we got... I'm hurrying it, my man. I'm trying to... Okay, the drill is getting hot, guys.
How you doing with that drill?
I can't push it up. So... Oh yeah, the first one is down. We gotta be very careful, guys. We're not supposed to push so hard. Okay. I'm stuck here. Ah, the second one got down. We're about to drill. Okay, that guy is shooting, man. I am getting there, man. I can't get so much, so hot. I'm gonna break the drill, man. I'm drilling this shit, guys. Yes, we got the shit. Yeah. Okay, I got the deposit. So now we're gonna get away from here, guys. Oh my fucking god. Back up. Oh my god, you killed him, man. Shit, cops are here. Failed. Why did you... Crowd member killed... No, that guy killed... He shouldn't do that. What's up, Kazrakak? Shit, that guy killed those guys. We failed because of that. No! Everything is for nothing. Man. Noob! Noob blew it. Can we do again? Okay, now we're gonna do from the beginning. I hope. Okay, we're gonna go to the bank. I hope. Yes, we're starting from here, guys. Members will earn cash on failing their first attempt. Man, you gotta be very careful to not shoot those guys. Man, don't shoot them. Okay, press to begin drilling, man. Yes. Okay. Okay, we're drilling, guys. I'm not getting... Yeah, I'm drilling, my man. I hope that guy's not gonna shoot those guys again. Thanks God that they made it like, you know, you're not going from the beginning. Yeah, I'm getting there, my man. Look, my drill is getting so red, guys. Oh my God, gotta take care, you know. Man, drill is gonna pop off, man. Shit, the drill is hot, guys. You know. Yeah, I'm getting there, my man. No! Shit! You see? The drill overheated. Yeah, I am drilling, my man. I can't do this. Oh my God, I love the heists, guys. The heists is so intense. Man, you're like full of adrenaline. You know, because you know the people are waiting there. It's all about you, man. Can you imagine how is if you drill in real life, guys? What's up, Kashak? Now. Oh shit! Alarm is on. Alarm is on, guys. Alarm is on. Don't shoot, man. Go in. Go in. Go in. Go drive. Drive. Get the fuck away from here right now. Go to pickup point. Okay, now we're getting great, guys. Just drive, just drive. Guys, we just robbed the bank. Now we gotta get to pickup point. Look at this. Man! Don't shoot, I'm gonna shoot them, man. Don't fucking do this! Yeah, I just shot one cop, man. I'm gonna get for life. I'm gonna get this for life. Cops... Oh, man, I can't shoot... You know, I can't shoot straight back. You know, you can't shoot straight back. Oh shit, man, just drive. Let me see how far do we have to go. Oh, not so far, but cops, there are always cops. Cops are all around us, guys. Yeah, thanks God for that armored car, man. We're like in Fast and Furious. Remember, guys, first part. Yeah, we're getting to the bridge, man. Calm down, man. Driving to the cargo port. Oh, we got it. Wait. He's got to pick up with a fucking magnet. Oh my God! The cargo bot picked up with the magnet, guys. Fly away, man. We flew away, guys. They just stole us with the magnet, man. My hair went up, guys. Straight ahead, guys. Oh my God, it's unbelievable. This was a heist, guys. We robbed the bank, guys. I drilled it. That guy was shooting cops, ran away, and this was good game, guys. I love the heist, guys. This is unbelievable. We did a job. Let me see how much money we did we earn, guys. Last I'm gonna make some gangbang parties, guys. Gangbang parties. Gangbang parties.
If that thing I talked about comes up, I'll call you in. In the meantime, if anyone comes to me, I'll mention you as a reliable pair of hands.
Yeah.
Hey.
First time, guys. The first heist.
Don't get clingy.
Yeah, we passed the heist, guys. So this was the first heist, guys, on the GTA, guys. We got like 115,000 actual take-off money. So got like 63. I should take more money because I did, you know, more than he did. I had to hack, man. First time bonus. Oh my God, 163,000. Oh my God, 163,000, guys. We got so much money, guys. Look at this. Definitely I'm gonna make heist, guys, because this, you can get so much money, guys. You can't believe. Look, 163,000, guys. Unbelievable. Yeah, we made the job. Woo! Now the party's gonna start, guys. The Fleeca Job complete. Me and Zigzag made the job, and I'm gonna invite that guy, so he's gonna be my friend on the PlayStation, and me and him made the job. Yeah, guys, that was the first heist on the GTA 5. So guys, I hope you liked it, and what can I say, I enjoyed it so much, and I hope we're gonna continue this. So surely, you know, guys, me and that guy just tequila, man. What's up? So guys, if you liked my video, guys, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube. Go follow me on Twitch, and guys, this is just the beginning. So thank you guys for being on the Dinotti's YouTube channel.